Andrei Vasilevskiy. The big cat needs to come up big.
Yeah, they'll need him to steal this one. I got a feeling. And he's been great his entire career in clutch situations. I'd anticipate more of the same.
As for Sergei Bobrovsky, Paul Maurice told us earlier he was like our team, just a little bit off in Game 4.
I expect him to be razor sharp. He now is a finalist for the Vezina. He's won 2. He's a finalist here for the 3rd time in his career.
Hagel and massive Nico Mikkola, but they can't clear. Here's Hedman for Kucherov. Point, missed the mark. And Hedman on it again, got just deflected off his stick. Good stick there by Stenlund on the PK. Now it's turned over. Short-handed, the move. Shot is stopped and the rebound, nothing doing. Reinhart had a great opportunity short-handed for Florida. Crozier is hammered by Cousins. He'll get him again. Without the puck there, that could have been interference. Opozo's second whack at it. Fans and looking to break back the other way. Here's Braden Point. Gets a return feed from Stamkos. Back around, shot is whistled wide by Stamkos. Mikkola crashes the boards, takes the hit, makes the play. And Florida bounces right back. Here's Verhaeghe across the line, he'll hold. Wait for some help, one up the skate of Hagel. Back for Verhaeghe, rockets one. Into the chest of Vasilevskiy, the rebound, he scores! Carter Verhaeghe follows his own rebound. And it's 1-0 Florida.
This all starts from the entry for the Florida Panthers, and you're going to recognize the second effort here by Verhaeghe. And this is coaches 101 at every level of the game. Don't admire your shot.
Kulikov to come away. Off from Mikkola, wanted to get it in deep, could not. Lightning looked to counter, errant pass, so they'll slow things down. And no icing, the centering feed for Jeannot is stopped by Bobrovsky. He swings, turned over. Tarasenko couldn't keep in, and Chernak was looking to break. If that's somebody else, that could have been really dangerous. Here's Rodriguez, wraparound chance, and it nearly banked in off the Lightning player and somehow kicked wide. This will go for icing back at 5 aside. Close call at Tampa end.
You got this is a close shave. And it's Evan Rodriguez that played his college hockey with Jack Eichel at BU. Watch him open up and go 10-2 a la Alfie Dallin. And a great skate save by Matt Dumba.
Off the point. Swings it around. Stamkos on his backhand. He'll go behind the net. Avoids the big check. Got the puck somehow. Wanted the tip of the save by Bobrovsky. Off Kucherov. Broken stick. Ashes everywhere. And Montour trying to race in. He's in for the shot. Penalty is coming up. They should score every single time.
No,
5-on-4, right? That's not the case. Face-off win. The rebound. They scored. Barkov. 2-0 Florida. The captain chips in. Inside of 7 minutes to go. Second period. Braden Point gets the line. Here's Kucherov. Big right pad save by Bobrovsky coming way out. Here's Stamkos now. Lundell out of the box. Shot save. Rebound hammered wide. Bobrovsky was nearly in the corner. Only now does he pick up his stick. Here's Hedman with a shooting lane. He scores! Victor Hedman keeps the Lightning in the game. At 5-on-5, it's 2-1. 59 seconds after the Florida shorthanded goal, Tampa Bay counters back. Hagel feathers it through there for Cirelli. He'll swing it around for Kucherov. Try to work back to the point. Kachuk breaks it out. Here's Verhaeghe on the break. Carter Verhaeghe shot. Stopped by Vasilevskiy. Maybe a game-saving save right there. Turned over. Verhaeghe tries to make the drag and can't. Not around Sergachev. He's not falling for that. Loose puck, shot of it. They score!
second effort here in the corner by the Panthers. There's Barkov, number 16. Both him and Tkachuk playing pitch and catch in front of Vasilevsky. But watch Barkov. You mentioned driving through the middle. He does that, but he doesn't quit on the play. He gets back to the net front. So too does Matthew Tkachuk.
Only 3 seasons ago, it's a third of your roster is remaining.
Yeah.
3-on-2 Florida. Panthers never quit. Looking for more. They score! Evan Rodriguez for Florida. 4-1 Panthers. Might be the dagger for Tampa Bay.
Florida Panthers in transition off the rush. They do a nice job using the width of the rink, but starting wide and then cutting to the middle. And it's Evan Rodriguez out of Etobicoke.
They will have learned a few good lessons they could put in play for however long this Stanley Cup playoff run goes this postseason now.
There goes Vasilevsky.
4 minutes left. The answer's 4 minutes. And down by 3. Empty netter, and it goes! Who else? Carter Verhaeghe. And it's a 5-burger for the Florida Panthers. Point works it down deeper. Vasilevsky leaving again.
He'll tee it up.
Hedman, rocket shot. No! What about Bob? 2:11 to go in the Lightning season.
Brad Richards, Marty St. Louis, and Vinny Lecavalier. And of course, Dave Andreychuk, although was there for the latter part of his great Hall of Fame career. But I think when it's all said and done, as of now, I'd say probably Stammer. But those guys are all in the conversation for very good reason.
And again, we're not saying it's done. This game is, and the season is. Mikkola on an empty net goal. How about 6-1 Florida? Tampa Bay Lightning, a regular season that saw them earn the wild card 1 spot. Florida Panthers, they won their division. And the Florida Panthers win this first-round playoff series. Florida beats Tampa Bay in a postseason series for the first time ever. And they do so in a gentleman's sweep in 5 games.
The Battle of the Sunshine State is now complete. Greatly contested. Credit to the Tampa Bay Lightning for setting the standard. They played their hearts out. They left everything out on the ice. The Florida Panthers would prevail